Learn to make beautiful filigree jewellery with expert filigree jeweller and artist Michelle Lierre. Join the online course and be guided through the whole process from start to finish of making a filigree openwork pendant. Filigree is a traditional technique of coiling, bending and intertwining threads of gold and silver wire to make delicate ornamental patterns or details in pieces. It is a wonderful way to make fine and detailed jewellery and a beautiful technique for any silverworking jeweller to master. This course is suitable for intermediate level jewellers who are confident working with silver and soldering but are new to filigree. Learn to design, create, shape, solder and finish a professional filigree piece. All of our courses are filmed by a professional camera crew, ensuring you can see the most detailed close-ups, and they come with downloadable course notes to support your learning. You can also get any questions answered inside the community Facebook group. Sign up now on the link. We can't wait for you to join us and look forward to seeing what you make on this course very soon.